Fatalo for lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It is Saturday again here in Samoa. Hope everyone's doing well. Special Fatalo for to our Ainga members, and hope the weekend was going well for you guys. So we're just filling up the containers of water for the cows. We'll be making a trip to the cattle farm soon. It's been a really hot past few days, even the past few weeks. I'm here in Samoa. I think temperatures going way above 33 or maybe 34. So it's been really hot, and the cows haven't been getting their usual supply of water from the rain. As a result, we've had to make more frequent trips to the cattle farm to supply water for the cows. So I think this is probably the third or fourth time this week we've had to do a water run for the cows. But yeah, we'll also get some taro on our way today to the cattle farm, and hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys, and we'll see you soon. Most of these gallons are gallons we buy from the restaurants here in Samoa. They sell it for about $1, sometimes $2, and that's what we've been using. But so these ones that's actually leaking, we've had for about 3 years now, and obviously due to the heat, the plastic starts to become brittle, and as a result they lose water. So a bit of a waste of an effort, but it'll probably hold until we get to the cattle, and then we'll unload these leak ones first. Head out to the cattle farm. Alright guys, so we decided to come through our old track instead of the new track because I don't have the keys. Uncle's got the keys with him, but we decided to come back in our old track here. If you can see, that's where the new track enters. I'll show you guys a closer view of that area. But according to Uncle, we haven't been using this track for a long time. I haven't even been here for quite a while now, probably 3 months through this trek, maybe 2 months. But as we were coming, I noticed something very funny. Just on the top of the road, I saw a few branches broken, and they were actually quite fresh. And then I thought I saw new tire tracks, which is not the usual tire tracks. So then I never thought much of it. But if you guys have a look down here, if you guys, I'm not sure if it's clear. Can you guys see that track there? We probably need to increase the contrast a bit so that you guys can see it. But there's noticeable tire tracks right there. Which means a car came through here. Now it's quite unusual because we don't have any cars coming through here last time I checked. So there was a car that came through this road. Maybe because they noticed we haven't been using this road, they've been using it, which could mean that there's someone else coming to our plantations. I've actually left the car far in the back there because it's okay, my son's there. But I'm just coming down here on the track. But also, if you want to catch thieves, this is probably the best time to catch them, because the engine of the car is too loud, so they'll hear it from far away. You can actually just walk by here and have a quick check. I don't see any thieves. But see, look at that. Look at that. More disturbance in the soil. See, right here. See that? It's where, see, the tire came here and dug up that rock there. So there, right there, you can see there's a car coming in the back here. That's not our car. And this is fairly fresh because it was raining a bit this afternoon. So anything that's on here should have been fresh, you know. And if it's recent, because it was raining, this should have, if there was any downward draft or water flowing down here, would have just smothered this again. But this is fairly fresh, probably, I don't know, 2-3 hours ago, maybe 4 even. But that's yeah, quite unusual. So that's the access road that we now use, coming from that side over there on that side. But this is the old access road. See some of the new plantations here. It's looking very beautiful. I actually love it. So just gonna head back to the car because my son's still there and he's probably getting scared. But yeah, there's a car coming in the back here, see? So it's actually raining now, but yeah, hardly any of the rain is touching down, so anything that should be new on this track is actually preserved because the canopy, the tree branches are actually blocking any rain from hitting the ground. But oh well. We'll head down to the cattle farm. The cows are probably waiting. Alright guys, so finally arrived at the cattle farm. Quickly noticing two main things. One, the cows aren't here, which means they're probably, well, they should be here because they're thirsty. And two, there are two cows outside. They're not our cows, because obviously they'd be inside, but we're gonna do a head count. Wait. Sorry guys. Yeah, it turned out to be out cows, so I had to, I don't know where they're going out of the fence, but I had to chase them. That was 2 of them there. Now they're back inside, and yeah, I'm gonna call most of the cows come over now for a drink. Big. Alright guys, so just finished pouring water for the cows. All the cows are here. Already counted them, so yeah, the 2 that were outside were actually our cows, which is why as soon as I opened the gate, they came all the way back in. But yeah, we're just going to bring the pickup backwards, and then we'll offload the water for the tomorrow and the rest of the week. So yeah, got the little man there driving. It's always good to get them used to it as long as they're not on the road. I always teach them how to use the vehicle, especially here on the cattle farm. So just gonna back it up and then offload the water. So wait. So. Tahu iya coffee pero uy pengat ki dolela ulalo ka fampa. So yeah, it's always good to teach them, you know, these things. Of course I'm not going to let them on the road, but that's why we've got a good farm to get them practicing, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna join with me guys. We're just gonna walk this way to see if we can find where the cows headed outside. Yavi, papuko ku yo ka fang pau. Avai me empty ka ai dunga e. Tora ko suan me de. Oi fa fo pofi. All right, firstly, we can see this side rides up a bit. So I don't know, could be there, but sometimes there's a saying, usually it's when we try to think of answers, we always try to complicate it, but usually it's the most obvious one, and as a result we will go looking for the most obvious answer, or maybe the most obvious hole. No, that's not it. Could be, but so when we came, when me and my son came, they were actually in here. And then as soon as they heard the car, they came running through this side. And then, so I think it might be somewhere here. But again, I'm honestly not sure because I don't know how they're getting out. Yet everything look. Also accidentally cut my finger trying to tie up the barbed wires. Alright, I see cow poo here. Very fresh. Might have been probably close to where they came out. So this right here was my first guess, and this is my only guess is where they're coming out. Now, if you check here, let's have a closer look. That's right. That's the actual hairs. Now let's hope that's actual. Let's hope that that's actually cow hair, and hope it's not human hair. You wouldn't want that to be human hair. But this is the most obvious gap. Obviously the cows would have to find some. Oh, it's not. So yeah, I think this is the most probable answer, is this gap. So I will try and fix up something. All right, so quickly put a pole there. I didn't stomp it too hard, but just as long as there's a pole there as a deterrence. Obviously if they come back to get out through this side, they'll see a pole there and then they probably won't even bother. But if you guys can hear, it's actually raining and it's coming down pretty hard. I'm gonna quickly go back to where my son is, because he's probably scared at the moment. Then we'll wait until the rain dies out. We'll grab some taro. Yeah. Sorry guys, I might have to put my phone away because it's raining. We don't want it wet. I love you. Yeah guys, just waiting for the rain to die down, and then we'll go get some taro. You guys can see that barrel completely bone dry. That's how hot it was the past few weeks. Absolutely no water here for the cows, so very grateful to have rain again. You know, rain is a farmer's best friend in some cases, I guess. Probably not during harvest, but during planting, especially for the cows, when you have cows as well. So really grateful for the rain. Praise God. This is probably a good time to get taro. The rain's died down a bit, so we'll get some taro now. Just gonna take the car up there. Alright, so we're still gonna use that moso oi there as a reference point to the last time we were harvesting, and then we'll get some taro from here. over there. Alright, I guess that should be enough. I think I counted probably over 10, I think, maybe 9, but pretty sure that's enough. I'm just gonna clean them up and then we'll head off. Alright guys, so we're gonna head off home now. If you've enjoyed today's content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe guys. Getting our Sunday tonight ready cooking tomorrow, so hopefully you guys will catch that episode. But if you've enjoyed today guys, be sure to like, comment, share our channel guys. Head back home now, so we'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Just want to say thank you again for tuning in to another episode here on our channel. I really appreciate the support guys, and really hope I can push out more content for everyone to enjoy. But until our next episode guys, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you guys soon.